Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video of trading for beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you report a profile in Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to report a profile in Binance Square for misinformations or any other regions, you just simply have to open your Binance application at very first. And after opening the Binance applications, you just simply have to tap into this yellow Binance logo into the top left corner. Tap there, and after that tap to this Square option. Go over Square and you just simply have to select any of the profile in order to report. Just for the demo, I'm selecting this profile. Remember, again, just for the demo. And after opening the profile, you will get to see these three dots right here. Tap to that three dots and then you will get to see this option of report user. Tap to report user, and after that you can choose any of the options to tell why did you report this profile. You can just simply select any of the options right here, and after that your report will successfully be sent. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.